We've got quiet weather out there this evening, a few clouds around, temperatures around 40 right now. It is going to get cold in a hurry as we head through the night tonight. Take a look at our wind chills by tonight at 9, 10 o'clock. We're already starting to feel like 15, 20 degrees. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, the bulk of the bitter cold air settles in. Some single-digit wind chills. Yikes. Stepping out the door tomorrow, bundle up fully and make sure you warm up the car, get the heated seats going as well. Anything you do to stay warm, you're going to need it tomorrow. Coldest air arguably of the season right there. As we head into Friday afternoon, doesn't get much better with temperatures in and around 20 degrees with the wind chill again factored in. Things will get better, a little less harsh as we head into Saturday and eventually Sunday, but the cold air will be in place and timing up with our winter storm. So let's take a look at those winter storm headlines. All snow inland, but there will be mixing at the coastline. It's just a matter of how much at this point. There are also going to be some sticking issues initially as we do see those temperatures, as I mentioned, moderating a bit as we head into Saturday night and Sunday. You're also going to get that whipping east wind, and with those temperatures hovering a little bit above freezing, it will be tough to get sticking at the surface initially. But as the temperatures plummet back down below freezing Sunday, that will help with the accumulating snow, especially again further away from the shoreline where it won't really be falling as anything but snow. It'll be mixing with sleet and rain at the shoreline. And then you factor in those blustery northeast winds. This is a coastal storm. This is, by the book, a nor'easter with winds coming out of the northeast. Gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour, perhaps even a smidge higher at the coastline. You add that to the wet, heavy snow, not great snow for shoveling, good snow for snowball packing for the kids that may be watching. But spotty power outages as a result of the wind and the heavy snow on the power lines is certainly a possibility. So the onset of this is going to be around 9 o'clock on Saturday, maybe a brief start as rain at our coastal sections, and then it kind of goes back and forth. It goes snow, and then you see how that snow line kind of fights back. Again, the wind's picking up. That warmer air is going to start evecting in. It's not going to be until we get to about noon on Sunday where the cold air starts winning out for everybody, and it goes all over the snow, even for Cape Cod and Martha's Vineyard. Nantucket may be the last to change back over, but again, the storm will end as snow for everybody, but at that point it starts tapering off by Sunday evening, and by Sunday night we're going to start clearing things out. So here again is our ABC 6 snowfall map. The highest totals, the jackpot will not be in our area, but Providence still has a chance to get that first 6-inch storm in over 2 years, right on the cusp of our 6 to 8 here for places like Burrillville, Attleboro, Woonsocket, Norfolk County. Then as you get east, things are going to get lower quicker as the mixing will be more of an issue, 3 to 6 inches for parts of New Bedford down towards Newport. And then South County, the immediate shoreline could be about 1 to 3. Really not a lot of that's going to be stuck on the ground at that point anyway. But again, you want to wake up on Monday morning and see that snow on the ground. Probably north of Providence is the best bet at this point. 21 degrees tonight. Very cold out there. Again, with the wind starting to pick up, it's going to feel more like 10 to 15 degrees tomorrow morning. A nice sunny day, though. Saturday, plenty of sun in the morning, quickly over to clouds, and temperatures about the same. And then Saturday night, the storm arrives. Will be with us all day Sunday long. It's a long-duration storm event. We've got the sun back on Monday. Tuesday, kind of the same scenario. It's almost like a pattern. Monday, sun. Tuesday, clouds increase. Wednesday's a storm, but this one is way too warm for snow. It's going to be a rainstorm, and it will be windy as well. We'll have to watch for any melting snow that could then exacerbate that, filtering down into the rivers. We may be in a river flood watch situation once again.